Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to check Facebook PC search history. We start by entering our Facebook profile. Next, to see our recent searches, we will click on the upper search box. Here we will see the most recent searches. To see the complete history, click on the Edit option. Finally, we can see our Facebook search history. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.